Hi everyone, in this video you're going to learn how to make a spiral knot. Starting with 4 cords, and we're going to start on the left. You take your leftmost cord and make a 4. This cord, furthest out on the right, you're going to cross in front of the left cord, pass it behind, and bring it out through that hole. Hold the center cords as you tighten up your cords around it. You're going to continue the same knot on the same side. As you do this, you'll notice that your knots start to twist a little bit around the center cords. And so when you're pulling tight, you want to make sure that you're pulling at the same angle that your cord is facing. When you get to this position where it's hard to pull this way, you can turn your whole knot around and start again, always on the same side. So you'll notice when knotting on the left, your spiral knot twists to the right. So to create a spiral in the opposite direction, you want to knot on the other side. So I'm going to start on the right, make my backwards 4, cross this cord in front, pass it behind, and out through that hole.